Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and activate a Lycamobile SIM card in USA. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, first of all, access your browser and type in lycamobile.us. Right, once you have done so, you will be able to land on their official website. So right over here, all you have to do is simply tap on this three horizontal line on the top right corner of the section, and now tap on this new to Lyca. Now tap on this option of switch to Lyca option over here. It will simply activate this another page where it lets you simply activate your SIM. You have to wait a bit for it to load. You can see afterwards, you can see this activate SIM 1 option will appear. All you have to do now is simply either choose activate with new Lycamobile number if you just purchased it. If you have one activate the existing one, you can choose this as well. The information for you to add will change depending on the one that you choose. For port my existing mobile number is you have to enter your TK code, your SIM number, PUK. Simply enter all of the information as it asks for you. Simply tap on this I'm not a robot. Now you simply will be able to tap on search and complete the activation. For the new users, again go check on this activate with new Lyca, enter your TSC code, zip code, SIM number, etc. Simply enter all of the information accordingly. Tap on this I'm not a robot and tap on continue. You're good to go. Your new SIM will be activated. So this is a simple way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.